Hi, baby. Hello, Lulu. You just had your bath time, be. Oh, shush, shush, shush. Baby. Shark bait. Shark bait. Hello. Whoa. What happened to your face? Did you swallow a ball? Did you eat chupaw? Ah? What happened to your face? Buyag, buyag. Murag si Kuya Dave ug daw ate.
Hindi, murag ako na.
Ha?
Nan.
Shark bait! Shark bait!
Sora.
Be, what's wrong? Hello, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. What do? Samok si Mami, Long. Samok si Mami, ha? Ha? What? Hello. Ba? Shark bait! Shark bait! Oh, you're looking at the camera. Look at Mommy. No. You want to talk na? You want to talk to Mommy? What do you want to talk about? Let's just not talk about sports because I can't relate. I don't have any sports. And also, let's not talk about cars and motorcycles because I don't know anything about them. Okay? You can talk about them with Daddy. Hi, Ate. What happened? Where's your baby? Oh, there's Lumpy, no? There, oh. Pick it up. Shark bait. Shark bait. You already know your name? Oh, you already know your name? Oh, shush. You're a big boy. You're a big boy na. Shush. You're so kawaii. You're so kawaii. You already had your bath. Yay! Yay! Shark bait! Oh, you stay there, okay? We will eat our dinner. You stay there and don't cry, okay? Okay, shark bait? No crying, okay? You're growing bigger every day. Look at your feet. Is it ticklish? Is it ticklish, baby? Huh? It's ticklish? Okay, we have to eat our dinner. We have to eat our dinner. You want some? You want adobo? You want pork adobo? Oh. You want some? Oh, sure. Oh, what are you talking about? What are you saying? I can't understand your language. Should I check the Google Translate for it? Is there a baby Google Translate? Is it saying, please mommy pick me up? Or, mommy I'm hungry, feed me please? Or, is it, I have a poo-poo in my diaper? Which one? Or, can you please put me to sleep? Which one? Oh, that's a good choice. But sorry, mommy can't keep quiet. There's no such thing as quiet. I think that's a myth. Ne, Sakari. Kawaii. What happened to your face? What happened to your face? Huh? What happened to your face? Hello, Why you look like a girl to me? Come in there.
Baby.